Can you see my abacus clearly?
Yes.
Once we will revise the parts. Actually, this black color border is known as the frame of the abacus, unit bar, and these dots on the unit bar we call it as a unit point. From the center point, we will start adding the number to the abacus. Now there is no bead is touching this abacus, so value on abacus is 0. If the beads are like this, first we need to arrange the beads before adding or subtracting or before adding the numbers. First we need to zoom the abacus. You will be having smaller abacus. On that what you need to do is right hand thumb and index finger, place it on the right side edge and move towards left. Then all these beads will be aligned. All these beads will be aligned. Okay, right hand thumb and index finger, place it at the right side edge of the unit bar, move towards the left side like this. That is called the zooming the abacus. Okay, before starting the problems, once after completing every problem, first you should zoom the abacus. There should be no value on the abacus. Okay, now we'll start adding the numbers to the abacus. First, from the midpoint or the unit point, from the center point, we will start adding the beads. This is called as ones place. In this ones place, each lower bead value is 1. Each lower bead value is 1. So, if I add one bead to the abacus, if one bead is touching the unit bar, then the value is 1. If I am adding two beads, if two beads are touching,
The value is 3.
yes, 3, 4.
Value 3. Value 4.
Now upper bead value is always 5 times to the lower bead. This is ones place. Lower bead value is 1. Now upper bead value will be 5 times to this 1. So value is 5. Upper bead value in ones place is 5. Okay, this is 5. If I am adding 1 to that 5 in ones place, so value is 6 now. In ones place, I should always use my right hand, thumb for the lower beads. Lower beads, I should add thumb. Upper beads, index finger. Don't do anything. First listen. First listen and look at the abacus. Don't do it now. I have added 4. Now I have added 5. Upper bead. Each upper bead value is 5. Value is 5 now. If I add one lower bead, value will be 6. One more, 7. Upper bead I should use the index finger. Lower bead I should use my thumb finger. With my thumb finger I should add the beads. Now the value is 9. 5, 6, 5 plus 1, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total I can add till 1 to 9 or 0 to 9 in ones place. This is 0 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Till 9 I can add in ones place. Coming to the left side of the ones place, that is tens place. For tens place I should always use my left hand, thumb and index finger. Only thumb and index finger. Okay, these two fingers are directly connected to our brain. That's why we are using the thumb and index finger. Left side place, tens place, I should use my left hand. Right side, right hand. Okay. Now in tens place, each bead value is 10. 10, 20, 30, 40. Coming to the upper bead in tens place, each value is 10. So the upper bead value will be 5 times to this 10. It is 50. Upper bead value is 50 in tens place. So I can add till 90 in tens place. If I have added all the beads, it will be 90 in tens place. Now I'll add some values. You need to tell me the value of that. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, you
Yes.
understand or not?
I understand.
Okay, what is the value now?
The value is 3.
Very good. What is the value now?
8.
Very good. Now?
9.
Very good. Now?
5.
5 in tens place. You should always read from the tens place or the left side. Okay. 5 here, 0 here. 5, 0.
50.
Yes, this is 50. Now tell me the value.
6.
6, 0.
60.
6.
60.
Now,
70.
yes.
80.
Now,
90.
yes.
10.
No,
100.
no. 50.
500.
5.
150.
55. First listen, ma.
Oh.
Don't be in a hurry. First listen carefully. 50. 5. 5 in tens place, 5 in ones place. 5. 5. 55. Okay, just read the digits. That's it. 6, 5. 65. What is the value now?
Um, 66.
Now,
67.
very good.
69.
Now,
90.
90.
95.
Very good.